It was an unusual Tuesday for this part of Uttar Pradesh. The skies were buzzing. India's Air Force was at its mighty best as it displayed head-turner aircrafts watched by lakhs of villagers from rural ramparts and towering sugarcane fields. The occasion, after all, was the launch of UP's 341-kilometer long expressway, the first ever of this big state in 70 years, that connects now Lucknow to 9 districts: Sultanpur, Azamgarh, Mao, Ghazipur, Amethi and Barabanki among others.
3-4 साल पहले जहां सिर्फ जमीन थी, अब वहां से होकर इतना आधुनिक एक्सप्रेसवे गुजर रहा है। जब 3 साल पहले मैंने पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे का शिलान्यास किया था, तो ये नहीं सोचा था कि एक दिन उसी एक्सप्रेसवे पर विमान से मैं खुद उतरूंगा।
The way Prime Minister Narendra Modi today alighted out of C-130J Hercules aircraft on this 3.2-kilometer long stretch in UP's Sultanpur district, the message from BJP is quite clear that this 341-kilometer long expressway, the longest so far in Uttar Pradesh, will be used as a symbol of protection for India's borders right from the Hindi heartland. And with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath joining Modi on the stage, the reply to the opposition parties is also that this project will be used as a symbol of infrastructure and development as much as the thrust on religious site of Ram Temple in Ayodhya next door. As one after another fighter jets, Jaguar and Mirage 2000 touched ground and flew over, the crowd stood on its feet, erupting into thunderous applause. The event saw further action when Sukhoi 30 made turns and twists, as local girls and boys could be heard asking for more. For several decades, this Purvanchal area of Uttar Pradesh was always known as a backward area of India and Uttar Pradesh. But with the landing of these aircraft, it is quite clear that defense is the big thrust of Yogi Adityanath government. This expressway that starts from Chadusarai village in Lucknow and ends at village Haidaria in Ghazipur, just 18 kilometers short of Bihar, is telling how massive this 6-lane project has been developed by Uttar Pradesh Expressway Industrial Development Authority known as UPDA. The expressway has 8 fuel stations, 4 CNG stations, several interchanges, flyovers, bridges, underpasses with solar backup. It's been constructed in mind to bring employment opportunities, hospitals, industries in future. Here's what CM Yogi Adityanath said.
विश्वास व्यक्त करता हूं कि पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश के विकास की जीवन रेखा बनेगी। यहां पर न केवल यातायात की सुगमता की दृष्टि से, बल्कि विकसित होने वाले औद्योगिक क्लस्टर के माध्यम से भी रोजगार की ढेर सारी संभावनाओं को आगे बढ़ाने में मदद।
With the landing of these mighty aircrafts in my back on this very airstrip, the message from Yogi Adityanath government is quite clear that the thrust is going to be on infrastructure, development, defense, employment generation ahead of 2022 elections, especially in a region of Purvanchal known as Eastern UP that remained shorn of any big infrastructure project for several decades during the previous government. Rohan Dua for the New Indian. And there can't be a better sight than to see the tricolor in the skies